All right, so here we have a 2009 Chrysler PT Cruiser. This customer is having problems with the lighting, turn signals, headlights, wiper blades, rear hatch opening. Everything in this car goes through a totally integrated power module, which is below the fuse panel. And that's what we're going to be replacing today. So we're going to start off by removing the airbox. All right, so this is the fuse box that we're after, right here. Couple little tabs. Go ahead and remove this plate. All right, so we'll go ahead and disconnect all of our connections. Pretty odd. All right, so here we have our new totally integrated power module supplied to us by Auto Parts Direct U. What we want to do is we want to make sure that everything looks the same. All right, make sure that all the connections and just looks like the same piece. We have a warning about clearing the codes after we're done with the installation. Our tamper-proof electronics here. All right, so we'll go ahead and install our new one now.
Tighten our hose clamps up. Then once we get it all installed, there is a little bit of a startup sequence. We want to put the key in, turn it to the run position, wait about 12 seconds, turn the car off, wait about 12 seconds, and then proceed from there. You could start the car up and clear the codes out. Go ahead and do all your checks, make sure everything is working. All right, so we're all installed